Hello, Namaskaram, and welcome to Warriors of Life. And first of all, thank you so very much that you guys have asked so many times that what is the reason that I have not given my video on my channel. The first of all, I was corona positive, and I am corona positive till the date. Because I have not got my negative report yet, so I cannot declare myself as corona negative. But today's video is very much important for all those people who are actually struggling with coronavirus, and same had happened to me. And trust me, it doesn't matter that how much you are being quarantined, how much you are being into self isolation, that it will not affect you. I am a kind of person that I stopped going outside from March first week itself, but still I couldn't save myself because it happened due to some of the midlife guy who has corona positive, who came over my place to take blood sample of my mother, and he was corona positive. So my mother get infected, and from her I get infected very badly. So in today's video, I just want to share some of the thing that I have gone through, and what is the particular thing which gave me the power to get back into the normalcy. Still, I am not totally normal. I'm too weak that it is really very tough for me to talk over this topic for longer period. So I will try to speak it out in a very shorter format. But I just want to say you guys, first of all, thank you very much. And if you are new at my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like it, because I always post videos related to your day-to-day life and all. So here, first of all, I want to say that when I come to know that I am corona positive, then I started having the medication of the doctor itself. And Lime C were there, that is a vitamin C tablet, Zincovit, and the ZAG-D, that is also zinc and sources of the zinc and the vitamin D. And with that, azithromycin was there, Dolo 365 was there for the fever, and other than that, the some Irvarin I'm not sure about the name, that tablet was also there. Anyway, any of them, I don't think it worked, because at the 5th or 6th day my oxygen started deteriorating, the oxygen level. And every time I was measuring my oxygen through this oximeter, and one day it was near about 78, 77 kind of. So yes, that moment it was very scary, but I was pretty sure that I will be definitely fight it out. But still, I was so much at the point of time, I was also not sure that either I will become back or not. So it's all about your love and prayer and good wishes that actually work. And with that, one more thing worked. On the 6th day, I was like, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, अब तो पता नहीं है ज़िंदा रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे. तो I started seeing videos of Coronil tablet. First of all, I want to tell you about this. This is the Coronil kit. It comes in this way, and there you get these three medicine together. So one is called Anutailam, that you have to put in your nostril, 4 drop in a day, and this is the Swasari Vati. You have to take this one, and it helps you for the if you are having any kind of the infection, it help in stopping it. And this helps because Swasari Vati you have to take before your half an hour of you taking your meal. And this is the most important one, that's Coronil tablet, that you need to take after taking your meal with the lukewarm water. So it has been said it is not going to help you to develop antibodies in your body, but yes, it is curative and preventive. So it does mean that if you are feeling like you can have the corona thing, you can have it, and either you are also infected like me. And trust me, after taking a 1 dose only, it started working in me. Anyway, I'm not taking any guarantee that either it will be working for you or not. Me and some people related to me whom I know, I also told them to take this medicine, and that also worked for them as well. So this is a thing that I am saying you by my personal opinion. That is up to you, either you want to have it or not. You can get this medicine any of the Patanjali store. It costs near about 550 rupees. But yeah, it helped me a lot, because after taking the medications of coronil kit, the first thing had happened to me that my fever was completely gone, which was actually deteriorating my oxygen level and hypoxemia जिसकी वजह से हो रहा था मुझे. And with that, yes, I has completely I was doing the steaming, taking steam thrice or fourth time in a day. And with that also, every time I was trying to have the lukewarm water, it is not going, it had not helped me in any way. It had not helped me to kill the coronavirus, this hot water or the steam. But yes, it actually gave a kind of it actually helped me to not to have that much pain through this coronavirus and all. And yes, one more thing I really want to tell you here: self pruning is must. Otherwise, if you can do Sashtang, it will really help you to open up your lungs and the workabilities of lungs. That really helps a lot. And one more thing I really need to tell you here, very importantly, please stop taking glucose, any kind of glucose. It can be ORS, it can be fruit juice, it can be any fruits, it can be sugar. So these are actually the hypocarbohydrate, right? So that is the actually food of the coronavirus. When you are giving your body this kind of fructose, glucose, sucrose, it actually just aggravate the number of the coronavirus. So better take all the protein maximum, in a maximum number. You can, if you are a non-vegetarian, then it's good for you that you can have chicken, you can have fish, you can have eggs, anything. But yes, protein actually the coronavirus cannot survive on protein. This is the point. This is why you will not be that much weak if you take any carbs in your days. So yes, again, thank you so much. Thank you everyone that to be with me, messaging me, and writing me mails and all. It was a big deal for me to have such good people around me. Thank you so much. I hope this small video is going to help you. And yes, please don't forget to take your vaccine on time. I will be coming again with a good video once I will be fine, and that time I hope I will be able to tell you all that yes, I have been reported negative finally. Till then, please take care of yourself. Please be vaccinated on time. Please be vaccinated on time, because those phase of being into corona, it's very, very, very tough. Yes, but as you know, we all are warriors, and I am also one of you. So we have to struggle it out, and we have to be fine. So now, hopefully, we will see you soon. And till then, please take care. And I'm sorry for giving this video too late. Till this is my 14th day of my corona infection, but still I am like, तुम लोगों से बिना मिले मन नहीं भरता. तो आई एम प्रिटी श्योर अब तो हम ठीक भी हो जाएंगे. फिर बात करेंगे बहुत सारे. तब तक के लिए पढ़ाई ध्यान से करना. And yeah, live your life fullest, but keep distance, social distances, take your vaccine on time, and have all the healthy food before you are being infected. And yes, It's tough, but it is not going to take your life anyway. So don't worry. You have to be strong, and you have to be marvelous to fight this tiny small virus out. So you're big. You're bigger than this one, these tiny small viruses. So you will definitely win. Don't worry. So bye bye. Take care and Jai Hind.